So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to the link which will be down below in the description. We're going to be downloading VLC Media Player. So click on download VLC. It's going to start downloading automatically. If it does not download automatically, you just want to click right here, which will then download it for you. So now it's downloading. Now we're going to click on this. We're going to install it. Click on yes. And then once we're here, you want to select your language. And then click on OK. And then click on next. Click on next again. Click on next again. Choose where you want to install it to. And then click on install. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you want to select Run VLC Media Player and then click on Finish. And now click on Continue. Now we're going to be on this. Now once we're in VLC Media Player, you want to click on Media in the top left and then click on Open Disk. Make sure that you have your disk inserted into your computer. Click on Open Disk and now this will come up. If you have a disk in your optical drive, just click on Play and now it should be playing for you. It's not playing for me because I do not have a disk inserted, but in your case, if you do, it should now be playing for you.